guys, it's your girl Rojo Shit today, and we're going to do the room tour. So I'm probably going to do a before and after. Don't know if it's the beginning or the end, but let's get along with it. Come in here, you can see the background, but this is what you will get. This is my mother when she was younger. That's a picture of her. I put some paintings that I did myself because I didn't have nowhere to put them, so I literally just put them here, and I put 3 of them that I did. I have command strips on them, and I have for this one little push pin, but this is like my gallery wall of my favorite ones. I have a lot more, but these are my favorite ones. Right here are mostly the stuff that I have, you know, when I leave. I'm probably gonna put my coat away because it is about to be spring and summer, so we don't need that. But I have jackets, bags that I use mostly all the time, and then my scarves that I'm gonna put away my coat because those are winter stuff. But that's what I got back here. Then here is like my little entrance of basically my family and my closest people that are right here. This is where I put my keys and also where I put my mask. Always use a brand new one. So yeah, this is what I got here. I got more Polaroid pictures, but I don't know how to put them in my Polaroid wall yet. But I got these fake little cactuses from Amazon like years ago, and I have gotten these little grids also years ago on Amazon. Then I didn't have anything to put my shoes in my closet because my closet is a little bit, you know, congested, but I got this shoe rack for little shelf shoe rack from Amazon. Less than $20. Mostly everything I got from Amazon is literally less than $20. But this is from Amazon. Got all my shoes, my boots, my sneakers, my booties, and my sandals are in the bottom part right there. Then I remember I had the brown console. I got a brand new console. It makes the floor a little bit more wider and more spacious. So I got these, which are like little cubicles where you can, you know, get the little baskets. So I got some with CDs, food, mail, and some books and just regular stuff. I have to reorganize it because I keep getting more stuff. But I did have this lamp which was on the window for years, so I just reused this. And then I got, you know, you gotta have some Lysol wipes to keep everything clean. I made this. I got this from Blink if you want to make canvases that are primed already. These are my 2 candles that I am in love with, that I am going to get more from Amazon. I got the Purification and the Good Fortune one. These smell amazing. Then I got these artificial fake palm bass, I think that's how you say it. These are amazing, and I got the tequila bottle, but just drinking tequila and keeping the bottle. This I got for Christmas from my cousin. This is also from Amazon. All you guys know this is from Apple. I did get this camera for Christmas, and those 2 books are from one of my cousin's wedding, and this is a Christmas 2 years ago. And yeah, this is like the setup right here, which is so freaking cute. I like to just turn on the candles and keep the light on or keep it off and just have a vibe. Then we moved to the spot where we had the ugliest mirror thing, and I had all my coats and jackets, but this is how it looks. I am in love with this area. It literally just has like a freaking jungle, because that's what my vision was. And hey, you see me. But I got vines from Amazon, and then I got the vines mixed with the regular colors from Urban Outfitters. and it goes all the way around. And I also got regular like wine lights that turn to different colors all around. And I also got this little tower right here that powers and have USB, so I could just put the USB plugs inside, which is freaking adorable. I just plug it in and it changes to colors like I'm going to show you. Let's turn it on. And right now it's red. We got green. We got this color. We got a bunch of colors, so I just be, you know, using that. Then I got a fake palm tree. This is a fake one because I cannot take care of real plants, just to let you know. I got me bag right there because this is one I use the most, like every single time, so I just leave it there. I got these skylights, so just if I want to have the inside, the outside inside. Got my, you know, ceiling looking bright and shit. And then I got my guitar, which I'm practicing more of the guitar so I can do more music. Easy. I cleared this whole area except for my two most memorable little teddy bears. Then here is my vanity, which basically just contains all my brushes, my pens and pencils, my lighters, my, you know, markers and stuff. This is the water that I use, the bottle that I use to my humidifier. Then I got all my skin products that I use on the daily, and, you know, my detergent and stuff. I do have scrunchies in the bag. This is like a little iPhone holder right here. Scrunchies are right in the back. And then I got my glasses. I was going to use this one today, so I just like decided not to. Then I got the kosher because when I do work on my computer, I need to, you know, keep my desk clean. My AirPod, you know, is there. This mirror, I literally made this mirror myself because this mirror was brown. And I painted the whole entire thing white and got these little vanity lights around, which are sticking, and then just a little USB cord you put into the thing. So this is what I got. The table is from IKEA and the desk is from IKEA. It was less than $140 just to make my own. Did I just hit my camera? Yes, I did. We're gonna leave that in there. But yeah, this is from IKEA. And the mirror is also from IKEA, but if you want, you know, get a cheaper one. So what I also did was I did a whole Polaroid wall, which I'm still going to figure out what I'm going to put here because I want to put more stuff here. But these are all the people that I care about, and these are inspiration photos from Pinterest, and also a little bit of like a yearly like manifestation thing that I want to do. So this is all of it. I'm gonna put it closer. I think I'm gonna turn more lights because it's like literally gloomy outside. There's no sun, so we're gonna turn on the lights and then continue. So I just turned on my lights, which are red because I got the Google lights because I got a Google Home. And then I got my watch. I got a mini one because I am blind to do my makeup, so looking from far is I'm blind. Then I got my humidifier, which is amazing. But yeah, like this is, I still say like a little bit dark. Oh, there we go. So these are all the pictures of everyone that I care about. If there's no more, if you're not there, I gotta get more Polaroids because I'm not done with this little space right here. But just to warn you. But I do have my mouse here. I got this chair from IKEA, and this is from Forever 21. These two things, the pillow and the little fur thing. Note to self: wash this by yourself because it's a whole mess. But yeah, then we're gonna go to this corner, which this corner was a little bit horrendous, as we've seen at part 3 room makeover. This area is like my laundry, and right here are my canvases because I had no space to put these huge ass canvases. I am doing a couple for my friends, my teddy bear, and some of my some of my art stuff is all right here because your girl has no space. But yeah, these are well, I keep saying makeup. These are all my art stuff, that I use. I went a little bit crazy once I started doing more art. Okay, over here, a little bit of an art area. My body, my hair stuff, body, and one of the cups. I have like 1, 2, 3 cups that I got from different places. The one in the back is literally from Universal. That one is from Doskill, and the back was given to me. Those are like travel size ones, so if like I go somewhere, I use one of those cups, except for the Universal one. This one is another from a humidifier. I got this for my massage, and I have my fridge for my skin stuff. And then I got like a little candle thing right here with different, you know, scents. So I just turn one on and that's it. Then I do have these. This one is from Urban Outfitters. This one was handmade by my cousin, and this one was from my mom. And then I got more Polaroids. If you haven't noticed, I love Polaroid films. Then over there are literally hats that I have to give, and I got a bag of snacks and my tripod and my lighting, which I have another lighting over here in the back, but we're not going to disturb that. This is the bed. I did get this. Mostly everything is from Amazon again. Amazon covers from Amazon, silk sheets from Amazon, pillow that is longer than me is from Amazon, and the pillowcase is also from Amazon. This is from where I got my heart surgery, about to be 6 years ago. And then these are teddy bears that I got in from people that care about me. So cute, right? But yeah, don't mind that. That is my PJs. I leave it in a hanger there so I won't have to struggle going into my closet. So at nighttime I just slip into it. I do have the shelf. I did organize a little bit of the shelf. So I got my books that I read. I have to get more books because I have more up here. 2 more little teddy bear plush, my cameras, and the Twilight Saga, because I love the Twilight Saga, the book, but not mostly the movie, just the book. And then I got my little table right here just in case I want to work on my bed, which I kindly literally just become lazy if I work on my bed. So yeah, but this is the brand new freaking room. It looks way much better than it did before. You know, just a little tweak, especially these area right over here, a little bit of good tweaking. Yeah, but this is a whole change for me. If I did get a bigger room, like, I would have more space to put stuff, but I do love this area right here with the little mirror. Is so cute. I love it. And the fact that I can change the colors in my room, A1. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. This will be the new setup. Probably this will be the new setup because I freaking love this area. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.